well, we'll have 3 people to start with, and eventually, Chris and Matt will come in, and we'll make a lot.
Everyone, hey, Chris, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Hey, Chris!
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Hey, Matt. 1, 2, 3.
Hey, Matt!
Oh, I'm not the only one? No. I know where he is, though.
Matt did have a baby in his arms, but, you know.
Oh, that might be it. I'd like to point out that we have the improv cam going here tonight. Chris is filming from his point of view.
Smile big, you're going to be on YouTube.
And we'd like to welcome the...
Oh, there's Matt!
There's Matt. Hi, Matt. I have a baby issue.
It's called having a baby.
Did you need your diaper changed?
I'm feeding the baby. Oh. Hey, what are we doing? Hey, we haven't got that for you.
The game's over.
We want to welcome Basis Oral School Middle School. Where are you guys at? These guys are doing a whole workshop series of comedy next week, so they came out to our show. We're going to do a meet and greet with them afterwards. And thanks for coming out, guys. All right. What's the drama? We're going to get started with a game called Foxworthy. You guys have heard of Jeff Foxworthy? You might be a redneck kid. We're going to Foxworthyize some professions and hobbies for you. So first of all, let me have some professions. The odder, the better.
U.S. Marshal.
What's that?
U.S. Marshal.
U.S. Marshal, okay.
I like that.
Karate teacher. Pro wrestler. Mortician. What was that? Septic cleaner. Blackjack dealer. There's the girl I like. Blackjack dealer. Okay. Oh, yeah, after that. Now let me have some hobbies, things you do for fun. Skydiving. What's that? Stroking beer? I got Facebook. What was that right here? Football.
Tennis.
Football, tennis. One more. What's that?
Trash collecting.
Frog?
Trash collecting.
For fun? Well, I mean, if you do it for fun, it's okay.
What kind of neighborhood do you live in, man?
Found artist.
Superhero Week. Okay, so what's going to happen is I'm going to read off one of the professions. The players will step forward and show you the Jeff. You make. Interpreter Chris here.
What he meant to say is, we will be having the following game. Go ahead.
Yeah. Okay, so U.S. Marshal.
Tijuana. If you're lost, you might be a U.S. Marshal. Wrong game. I was playing the game they were playing. Yeah, I know.
If you look at Tommy Lee Jones and say, "What a phony!" you may be a U.S. Marshal.
If you signed up to get the really cool star, you might be a U.S. Marshal.
If you weren't cool enough to be a Texas Ranger.
Oh, thank you.
Any more? No, I guess not. Karate teacher.
If you were a Texas Ranger.
Your philosophy on life involves wax on and wax off. You might be a karate teacher.
If you go to work in your pajamas and nobody cares.
If you take a look at the Cobra Kai from the same movie he just said and say, "What a fake!" You'll be a karate teacher. Pro wrestler.
If you like to dress up in tights and hang out with men, you might be a pro wrestler.
I'm sorry, Chris. If you look in the mirror and go, what a fake! You might be I'm sorry.
If you take a look at Hulk Hogan and believe that he's completely for real, you may be a pro wrestler.
If as a child you climbed to the top of the couch and you jumped, you might have been a pro wrestler.
If your name is Mickey and you resurrected your movie career, it might be a trouble.
Mortician.
You love the smell of dead people in the morning.
If nobody will shake your hand, you might be a mortician.
If when you say, I need a stiff one, it means something completely different from the rest of us.
Easy.
When you go to the closet in the morning, your decision is not really that tough. You may be a mortician.
If somebody asks you if you want something to drink and you ask for formaldehyde, you might be a mortician.
You get invited to all the cool Halloween parties because you got the best props. You might be a mortician.
If you look at the lady from the Addams Family and say, what a fake!
Morticia.
Blackjack dealer. I'll take care of this one.
If you do improv on the side, you might be a blackjack dealer.
If you can count to 21 and only 21, you may be a blackjack dealer.
If you and the waitresses can commiserate about tips at the end of your shift, you may be a blackjack dealer.
If you believe the number after 21 is too many, you might be a blackjack dealer.
If after you wash your hands, you go,
Skydiver. That's right, the hobby. Skydiving.
you're not very bright, you may be a skydiver. If you're okay jumping out of a perfectly good working plane, you might be a skydiver.
If this sound means fun.
If you look at the movie Point Break and you say, what a baby!
If a high dive just wasn't exciting enough for you, you might be a skydiver.
Football player. I think that's what I wrote.
You're not very bright.
We'll end up with a superhero.
If you like dressing up in tights,
Give these guys a hand. Okay, we're going to do a new game. We haven't played very much, but what is called Lost in Translation. And for this game, Jessica and Matt are going to go out of the room. So
Bye.
Boz and Chris will take the stage. And these guys are going to wait till they get away where they cannot see or hear what's going on. Okay, so the way that this is going to work, where's the other Chris? Watch those guys, would you, Chris? Wherever you are. What's going to happen is these guys are going to do a normal scene for you in English. And they're going to incorporate some, body gestures and stuff like that. And then what's going to happen is we're going to bring those two guys in, and they're going to play the same scene. Those guys are going to watch them, but these guys are going to do the second scene in gibberish. And then we're going to see what their translation of their scene is. You'll catch on.
They'll have to play the same scene,
Play
right?
the same scene.
And try to guess what the first scene was.
Exactly. Yeah. These guys got it easy. Okay. These guys are working on building something. What are they building? What are they working on? I heard tank. You guys are working on a tank. All right? Take it away.
point that thing the other way!
I don't see the target. Acquisition has not been found.
Try going in reverse.
Wait.
Wait. Turn around first.
Oh, hey, how you doing? Good to see you. Very nice.
Oh, wait! I love this song. Sorry, I just had a moment. I'm sorry.
All right. Can I fire the tank now?
Sure. Just don't fire it at those people over there fired at those people over there. They haven't been laughing enough.
Oh, not laughing. All right, I got this. I got this. You, ma'am. Laugh. Oh, she looks back. Nice try.
Scene. We'll end with the boom. Give these guys a hand. Now, let's get Matt and Jessica back in here. Matt and Jessica, if we can just flag them down. Matt and Jessica, come back in. Matt and Jessica.
Hey, Matt and Jessica! Something.
Well, we know they're out of earshot. Okay, Matt and Jessica, you guys can come right over here and watch. One of the excited, really doesn't matter. You're going to watch this scene again. This time, these guys are going to play the exact same scene, only using gibberish. Only using gibberish, and then we're going to see your translation of it. Okay? So watch the scene very carefully so you can recreate it as closely as possible. All right, guys, take it away.
Oh! Anybody! Beep, beep, Oh,
And scene. Give these guys a hand.
Good luck!
Good luck.
Good luck!
Now let's see this scene translated back into English. When you're ready, take it away.
I love my job driving a crane.
Jessica, I'm sorry to inform you, but you're fixing the crane and you're about to demolish a preschool with children still inside.
Babies are durable. I will move for you.
Thank you.
Thank you, my beloved supervisor. All right.
Whoa, whoa. Stop yelling first. You're pointing the crane directly at me now, and I don't want to die.
I must have misunderstood your memo.
The building is yonder.
Okay, I will go in that direction.
Beep, 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 beep. Hold on. I just got a page from my 1993 pager. I need to make a phone call. Do you have a quarter?
Let me check. No, wait. I'm not sure if I can do that. I am busy in the crane.
Hold on.
Wait, I see one down there in the ground. Let me back up the crane.
Wait a minute. I got a cell phone. Hold on.
Okay.
Oh, so you don't want her to... Oh, sorry, boss. Change of plans. You're not supposed to be facing that way.
Okay.
My supervisor, which is your boss's boss, wants to kill all those children.
Mark my exhaust.